at Atlantic Pressure Washers. We're in the shop today filming episode 2 of cleaning your boat with a pressure washer. In episode 1, Josh Lee, the original Josh, was out at Atlantic Marina and he field tested the 98K 1122 TST, our electric pressure washer. But today we're going to take a look at the H200. This is the Dirt Killer model with the Kranzle pump. It's 2,000 PSI, 3.5 gallons per minute. We think it's a real barnacle buster. So we're gonna send it out to Josh in the field and let you take a look for yourself.
All right, from our last episode of boat cleaning with pressure washers, we tested out the Kranzle K1122 TST and we got some great results. It took off all the schmutz off the bottom of the hull as well as a lot of the barnacles, but we want to get all this off without having to do any scraping, so we need to pack a bigger punch. For that, we're going to test out the Dirt Killer H200. It is driven with a 5.5 horsepower Honda engine and it has a larger Kranzle pump, still has the unloader and pressure gauge as well as nozzles. This machine is going to give you 2,000 PSI and 3.5 gallons a minute, so we have twice the cleaning units as the 1122. So we're going to show you what it will do, and let's go. Wags, fire it up. So it's looking good. Got all the barnacles off in a single pass. So if you're going to do the regular routine cleaning, you can use the Kranzle K1122 TST. If you're going to have a summers with a party on the bottom of your boat, you're going to need the Dirt Killer H200 to get ready to relaunch. So if you want more information, give us a call. If you're going to come down to our showroom, don't forget we're in Linthicum Heights, Maryland. You can find our website at atlanticpressurewashers.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, don't forget to turn the water on.
Hey, it's Angela. We're back here in the shop and damn did that do a good job. What we found through this experiment was the H200 is a really great machine for those of you who keep your boat in all year or all season and only pull it out a couple of times a year for maintenance. You clean the barnacles in no time, ready to go. The K1122, the Kranzle machine, is better for those of you who are taking your boat out frequently on a lift or trailer. You're staying ahead of the schmutz and the barnacles with this machine. These are both great machines. And to answer the question, which is best for boat cleaning, it's really up to you, your boat, and the frequency with which you clean it. So if you have any more questions, give us a call, check out our website, come by and see us. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn the water on.